Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'm going to be making a quick and easy Italian pasta salad. Stay tuned. The ingredients I'll be using to prepare this dish is Italian salad dressing, tricolor rotini, black pepper as well as salt, green and red bell peppers, pitted olives, red onion, a long English cucumber, cherry tomatoes, as well as water to boil the pasta. To cook the pasta, I'm going to follow the instructions that is listed on the back of the box, but I'm going to cook the pasta for about 9 to 10 minutes. Once the pasta is done cooking, I'm going to drain the water and add the pasta back to the pot. Once I add the pasta back to the pot, I'm going to add 1 cup of the Italian salad dressing to the pasta. I'm going to stir, place the lid back on, and set it aside to cool. While the pasta is cooling, in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add the bell peppers, olives, red onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, some salt and black pepper, as well as ½ cup of the Italian salad dressing. I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined. To the veggies, I'm going to add the pasta as well as the last ½ cup of Italian salad dressing. I'm going to mix until everything is well combined. Once it's cooled completely, I'll cover and I'll place it in the fridge to get cold. Now that's how easy it is to make a quick Italian pasta salad. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget to share with your friends and family to help the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video.